Hello kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Who will tell me what should I draw today? Yes, tell me. Exactly, I draw a trophy for you. This is very easy and simple drawing. First of all, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. First of all, draw the line. Always draw the lines with the scale. Using the scale makes the lines perfect. Then draw the lower part of the trophy. Remembers, you draw the D shape. After drawing the D shape, now draw the handles of the trophy. Who will tell me how many handles that the trophy has? Yes, tell me. Exactly, there are two handles of the trophy. One is left side and one is other side. See, the handles of the trophy is completed. Now draw the stand of the trophy. You usually see there is a stand is of the trophy. The stand is very important for the trophy. Now the star in the trophy. Now using the scale to draw the lines to make the stand. Always use the scale to draw the lines. Who will tell me whose people goes that trophy? Yes, tell me in your class whose students received the trophy. Yes, exactly, who received the trophy, who stand. First in the class means who takes the position. Who takes the trophy that perform the well? Who takes the trophy that perform extraordinary? Trophy is usually given to those people who perform extraordinary. Trophy always given to extraordinary people. Now my trophy completed. Now I outline the trophy. Use the black marker to outline the trophy. Always use the black marker. Outline makes the drawing perfect and awesome. See, outline look so beautiful. It makes the drawing awesome. Who will tell me what is missing? Yes, exactly, so let's coloring with me. I like so much. Do you like color? Who will tell me what is the color of trophy? Yes, the color of the trophy is yellow. So, let's use the yellow color in the trophy. I like the yellow color so much. Do you like the yellow color? You know mango is in yellow color. Now I use the pink color. I also like this color. Yellow and pink color looks so beautiful and awesome. First I outline the trophy and then I color it. Wow, that's awesome drawing. The trophy looks so beautiful and awesome. Don't forget to color in the star. I like the trophy so much. See you soon.